Hey guys, a very warm welcome to my channel. It's me, your friend Sonal, and today's video is gonna be on Quelling art. So, yes, you all might be wondering that where to Quelling. Then the Quelling is gonna be in the next part of it, which is the part 2. So make sure to wait for it. And this video, which is the part 1, this video is on how you can paint the painting, how you can paint Lord Krishna. So I wanted to make it look like an real portrait, and I've tried my best for it. But if you want to make it a bit easy, then you can fill simple black paint in it, leaving his brows, his eyes, lips, and you can add as many as details you want as per your imagination. And I will be uploading part 2 very soon, so make sure to wait for it and watch it. That's it, and now you can enjoy the video. And yeah, make sure to read the description box down below. Thank you. guys, that's it for today's video. I hope that you'll have enjoyed watching. And if you love my videos or want some more of them regularly, or update on that time whenever I'll put a new video, then you'll have to subscribe my channel for it. Yeah, don't forget to turn on the notification bell, because you will get every notification of my video whenever I'll upload a new one. And make sure to turn the great thumbs up button below if you like my video. And yeah, leave a comment down below. I'll have to read your comments. Thank you. Bye bye. See you in the next video.